nkofo se daabi so obakura no so on kasa wuntimi nye de hu afei se uye no so kura se free ho a nipa ya charge no yetimi declare the fugitive afei no fugitive no enye court ena be ma sa warrant no se yen declare wanted anasa de enkomo ipa to say wo mrem
enkomo de say obi aka but special prosecutor office there creating backed by statute law na special prosecutor office in the sea ho who can say in the period leading up to 2016 elections now the creation of the office of the special prosecutor was a major promise the MPP then in opposition AMR Ghanaians and its purpose was to fight corruption and no I must say because the Attorney General is a cabinet minister, he finds it difficult prosecuting his colleagues. This is your chief special prosecutor. I'm happy to say that Nami, ranking member of the Constitutional, Legal and Parliamentary Affairs Committee, come there, you're working here to put in the institutional structure and design for the creation of the office of the special prosecutor. And the special prosecutor and Ofori atta in the bank, Omo create here. Omo special prosecutor, all the police powers that you can think of. All the police powers. Now almost special prosecutor, a special jurisdiction. For example, now the jurisdiction was just limited to, in their conception, not limited to corruption. But yet the bill in the buy, on further consultations with stakeholders and civil society organizations, they extend the bill to include corruption-related offenses and breaches of the Procurement Act. Now, so the special prosecutor was all the powers of the police. All powers of the police. Now, Osi Obimbra and Ember assisted in investigation touching and concerning corruption or corruption-related matters. And they are within the jurisdiction to do that. That's what we should all understand. And they are within the jurisdiction. And so, Ofori Obi, Nasa Nipakrono, Ewo Ghana, Nasa Nipakrono say on bar, the special prosecutor can go to court for a criminal summons to be issued against that person, to come to court. So, Sani Pakono back quarter, court Chinu Amma special prosecutor.
Oh, this special back quarter, not quarter Chinu.
Adi Amma special prosecutor.
Now, special prosecutor Nankasa de want to be free the payment like he has done. Sir,
no. Well, I'm just explaining to you, sir. Say who Ghana. Tell you, say, yeah, you Ghana to see her. Now, special prosecutor FKA assistant for investigation, sir. So, invite you and Yamba, special prosecutor to Rico Court for issue a criminal summons to compel us to come to court. The court will cheer Amano. So, I'm just answering the question they would be saying that if the special prosecutor invites you, which means they won't come. It's not true. Or what to do to get you to appear. So when some lawyers and some commentators say I won't come. No, it is not there. The police powers of the police can overreach your decision not to honor the invitation.
But in a case where the person is indisposed.
So that is a moral issue. The health of a matter, the health of a suspect has never been a criteria for determining whether or not that person will appear before investigations or not.
Wow.
No. It's not law. Only that the health of a person can postpone the trial. The health of a person can postpone the trial. But the health of a person has never been a condition upon which an investigation into a criminal matter can be suspended.
Now, I know what we say. What friend is Omra? Obakwa he can refuse to answer any question. Obaka say, "How the you are can in court."
Oh yes. Oh yeah, within the right, but on to make a say on court. So let's separate it. You have the right to say that Maba Badmin Kasa.
Okay.
But you can't say that Mimba. That will be impunity.
Na anano no or five senka wamunye via Zoom. Nanka bia questions bia ampeso busano no. Kwamu busano. No nanka to say.
Mutual Legal Assistance Act no. Again, I can say that na mekahu na yakasi here.
Oh, okay.
Mutual Legal Assistance no. Video taking evidence by electronic means on 3 conditions. 1, the expert witness now amononi now try a case and you would require the expert witness to testify in the case. Ultimately, video evidence.
Mm-hmm.
Who try a case and the witness in the case or amononi and so you cannot reach that person or say what you mean. So you can take the witness statement of that person and the evidence of that person through video conferencing. So meaning na yes sir.
Sana kan no no.
Expert witness and then a witness.
Okay.
The third one condition in the say accused person ewo amononi or watching where accused they are charged that person. But it is a transnational crime. Or within the security law enforcement agencies and same amononi or your accused person. And so say who person will taking the evidence to support your prosecution in your jurisdiction. What we found that evidence in the true video. Now can Ofori onye akizo obi anya nchaje no omo say omba is a suspect okoyina anu here the case might take a different turn. Obi anya how the case will turn out until he comes into onye accused person. Number 2, onye witness or a suspect. Number 3, onye expert witness. It's Mutual Assistance Act no they rely on no doesn't offer them any assistance.
Alaye.
Yes.
Sir, obi a argument be say 1. So cause will be a fugitive. Let's say nipa krono will run away from prosecution. Enum ne ade. But papa you abetire baby a wo say an address is through his lawyers. Eti na special prosecutor kwan say obekọ ho na bia nsem bi opese onye free no no wagye because in the case of Cecilia Dapa oyebi
in the case of when
Cecilia Dapa okwa bia ho ekwaji information bi di ba we no so unim ba bia owo si enim ba bia wa
so Cecilia Dapa wan ko na Cecilia Dapa ni amonone.
Oh okay.
Na Cecilia Dapa wo Ghana ha. But case no na involve some aspects of money laundering.
Okay.
Not to see that the party of the no this kind of free abrochi Eddie Baye. Tani Pakrono on your accused person. Now FBI, whether FBI or Munim Sani Pakrono ana FBI no munya witnesses in the case. Into a evidence gathering activity. Or gather evidence. Until you gather evidence, nothing prevents you from traveling to the jurisdiction of another person or another country to collect evidence. Or gather evidence. That's number 1. Number 2, video evidence no from FBI or to another because criminal jurisprudence, criminal jurisdiction, is territorial. Special consider on to mean 29 enko see what America and Britain. No, yende juma to say over Ghana. No, ultimately yes, because the jurisdiction, his jurisdiction, is territorial and you're limited to the ultimate Kotogumpo and Koyajuma. So what Kotogo just say or invoke bilateral or multilateral instruments which allows him to cooperate with the Togolese authorities for the purposes of fighting crime. On to mean Koho or Machino. We should understand it clearly, say the jurisdiction of the special prosecutor is territorial, it's limited to Ghana, and even video evidence they okay, and for number setting. To do that, you have to collaborate with your international partners to be able to do that. If not, your evidence that you have gathered will be challenged in court. Your friend no custody. It will challenge in court.
Now, I law, Pipacho Buami say, yani US, ye extradition treaty. You betum the number.
Yes, yes.
Okay, now.
Yani US go extradition treaty. Yani US, we war, be etum in the US. And that fellow serves the sentence partially. Ghana, US can approach Ghana, say, Sani Paprono, serve the rest of his sentence in Ghana. There was a bilateral agreement.
Okay. Now, my question say, Ebra Yen Nasam, M1 phone, sa extradition action, no, ebet take place.
No, say, and yes, no. So, extradition, no, will depend on government. Is government willing to invoke the treaty between Ghana and the United States of America for the purposes of extraditing Kenaforata to Ghana to stand trial? So, Ebefa Kwame Bebre, the Attorney General, the Minister of Interior, who is responsible for criminal, law enforcement, the Minister for Foreign Affairs, the Presidency, will have to come in to be able to get that done.
And yeah, we may say a duteous tax pa. Duteous tax.
Oh yeah. It's not a small tax. I want to say nipa bebre we are see on one issue red alert notices. Even International Criminal Court are issuing arrest warrants against some people. And I want that. Yeah, so it's not that straightforward. It's not that straightforward.
Because now me they compare. Obi to say my miss said in temaklu. You didn't some still now. Yenti mean funny my. Now we're crying. Yen na some and now me say a bad day.
So certain of them no. Say what the former Attorney General, some the former Deputy Attorney General, some the war abides no. Okay, on numerous occasions say almost percent almost faster than Ember. And I want it. Ultimately by
when to me.
That will show you that it is not as simple as what he was talking about.
Oh, okay. Now, Papa, the way forward, Lupano, they say, Sekobasa Papa Nkwa, maybe more. What is the another step a bind between your take care?
Oh, man, who did that? When we're doing the law, you call Singapore. And Singapore almost to office of the special prosecutor. You don't know how they work. You learn from them. A case in point was a Singaporean minister now was wanted to assist the special prosecutor to investigate a case touching and concerning corrupt activities. Mahathir and under Mahathir or because he was a minister. Complaining, he said the special prosecutor is hounding him. na Lincoln you catch and say, oh, say in cabinet. Eka say to fight corruption, we must establish the office of the special prosecutor. And see, say the omu here, no, say omu say we are guilty. And to present yourself, say when you are guilty after the investigation, you'll be cleared. So when you are guilty, so then you face the consequences. But media, I can't intervene because say Eka say to fight corruption in Singapore. You say establish the office of the special prosecutor, and now we should know. So, okay, when the investigation started, say he will be found guilty, he will be prosecuted. Into Ojuani, Echo Malta, Ojuani called Malta, or Malta for more than 30 years. Finally, back. When he was old, he was prosecuted. He died in prison.
Now, Loy, Mammy, where do you? Say, or Interpol list, so say, or you're fugitive, or you're wanted, and only idea. Sir Powers, no special prosecutor war, and as an SN court.
Man, 2 years. Who says Sir Powers?
Sir Powers, no special prosecutor war. And as an SN court, a quad warrant.
No, South Hours. South Hours. I think now we didn't a good red alert. There wouldn't need South Powers now. Interpol, International Police Force, so name how the system works in various jurisdictions. Okay. Only say our power to do that. Until no listing, no. Only power, they wouldn't have listed it.
Say, no, I'm a what will be the process?
What would you
be the process? I'm betting the number now. I'm betting on court or another Omuchina. So you want to
no, Omuchina, they will go to court for an extradition order. They will go to court for an extradition order and depose to fact say, or committee crimes against the Republic of Ghana, and then for investigation to assist the investigation.
And also assist. To a attorney, no to be defending. Say,
attorney. He will have the right to an attorney. He will have the right to appeal to the court processes. He can bring out many cases apart from the crimes. Political persecution. I mean, if I get to my country, I won't get justice. You can bring it as you should follow in the international development. Good prayer, see.